are you doing, babe?
I am organizing the IKEA cabinets by their article numbers. So when we go to make them, it's a little bit easier and organized. So
These are all of our IKEA cabinets for the build. My buddy and I, Alex, we just built like 8 cabinets from IKEA, and there he is. There's the man himself, all the way from Texas. And yeah, we're building these cabinets. These are going to be the overhead storage. So we're just building these IKEA furniture right now. We already installed some in the box truck. It's starting to look like a real living space. So. There's Basil in all her glory. Yo, we got the first piece
closet
of
in.
yay!
We got this closet in. Our buddy Alex is out here from Texas helping us.
Whoop, whoop.
And we already got some upper storage up in the front up there. Air conditioner's working, blowing cold air. What's going on in here today?
Drawers are going on today.
So this is going to be our desk area. And we are putting on the drawers.
We got the face.
So what we're going to have here is a desk with drawers on both sides and then an open space in the middle. This will just be countertop going across. And then we're going to have a fridge here, upper cabinets here. And basically for the seat, we're going to have a box with a cushion on it, kind of like the size of this box. And then that'll be storage, so we'll be able to slide it in and out and sit on it. And yeah.
Alright.
Which was posted 25 minutes ago.
Alright, we gotta go watch the crypto market update, but I was just gonna say that this is day 2 working on the cabinets, and we're almost done with the kitchen, and we're working on the desk. Okay, bye.
We are putting in the drawers for the cabinets today.
Go in at a straight line.
Beautiful.
Sweet!
Beautiful. You probably got to put a couple more in. Yeah.
Yay!
Lyss is out here putting up our upper cabinet over the kitchen. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Bob the Builder over here.
This is just happening so fast, but we are finally almost done with the cabinets. They look amazing. If you're wondering why they kind of are discolored, it's because we saw like the film on them. They look so good.